If you've been trying to brighten up your skin and nothing seems to be working, I'm about to show you the full exact body care routine step by step that delivers results.
Go girl.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. I'm so excited for today's video. Today's video is a highly requested video. I've gotten so many comments like, Judith, can you do a brightening version of the lightning video? In fact, someone recently dropped a comment on one of my videos, and that comment made me pick up my camera to film this video. They said, and I quote, "Stay expecting the brightening version of this video because some of us want brightening, not lightening." Say no more. Here it is. They're absolutely right, because brightening is not the same thing as lightening. So brightening is more like glowing up your natural skin tone without changing your skin color. Now let me say this first, because I pride myself in products that work. I don't just come on here to recommend products that I'm not sure of or products that will not work. I recommend products that when you try, you will definitely see results. It's going to deliver amazing results on your skin. So the products I'm about to put you on right now is going to help brighten up your skin, tone up your skin, and even out your complexion. It will give you that natural, healthy, glowing, radiant skin that when people see your skin, they will just be like, oh my god, what are you using? That's the kind of compliment you will be getting with this brightening product. So some of those products are products that I've actually used on my own. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you a full head to toe brightening body care combo. So I'll be showing you why you need each of these products in your routine and exactly how to use them. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. So the first product you need in this head to toe brightening body care routine is your shower gel or soap. Sincerely speaking, Fair and White shower gel. This is one amazing shower gel you can never go wrong with when it comes to brightening up your skin and having that even toned, healthy looking skin. See, if you have used up Fair and White shower gel before, you will definitely understand what I'm talking about. This is one shower gel that I personally use in my skincare routine. The fragrance is amazing. It lathers so well. A little of it goes a long way, so you just don't need too much. This is one shower gel that is formulated with amazing ingredients. The ingredients infused in this body wash or shower gel includes pomegranate, melon extract. And one thing I really love about the shower gel is the fact that it's going to help cleanse your skin without stripping or drying out your skin. This is one amazing shower gel that I would recommend for anyone that wants a bright, healthy looking, glowing skin tone. As long as you're consistent with the shower gel, trust me, your skin and glow is gonna be on another level. I've had lots of clients use this particular gel and they still swear by it. Like I always say, every brightening routine starts in the shower. So how you use your shower gel in your skincare routine matters a whole lot. If you really want to get the brightening effect with the shower gel, all you need to do is ensure that you're wetting your body first before you get into the shower. If you have dark areas on your body, go ahead and take a little of this, apply on those dark areas a minute before you go to shower. That way it's going to help brighten up those areas. Now when you get into the shower, wet your body first, lather this up in your bathing sponge or bathing hand gloves or anything you're using to scrub your body, and use it to wash your body properly and rinse that off. That is all you need to do when using this to shower. You're definitely going to have a nice, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. So with this particular Fair and White shower gel, everything in your shower just comes together nicely. You will enjoy using it on your skin. Now immediately you're out of the shower, the next or second product you will need in your brightening routine is your body lotion. And the one body lotion I trust to brighten, even out your skin, and give you a uniform glowing skin tone from your head down to your feet is this Prolab skin tone corrector alpha arbutin plus niacinamide brightening lotion. And this is the lotion right here. This is one body lotion that will seamlessly glow, brighten, and give you a nice beautiful glowing skin. Is a tone correcting lotion, so if you have dark patches, pigmentation, discoloration, uneven skin tone on your body, or you're battling with a dull looking skin, trust Prolab body lotion to seamlessly glow your skin. See, you guys, I don't just pick up any body lotion and start talking about it. Hell no. I've actually tried this particular Prolab body lotion, and I will tell you one thing for a fact. It's very moisturizing on the skin, and it's going to tone your complexion, brighten up your skin with consistent usage. In fact, if you have any discolorations on your body, before you are out of one container of this particular body lotion, you would definitely see your skin glowing and looking so much brighter. And in fact, when you pair this particular Prolab body lotion together with your fair and white brightening shower gel, this is one combo that is going to leave you with a dead gorgeous, bright, beautiful, glowing skin tone. These two paired together in your skincare routine will have your skin looking so much brighter. See, there are clients I've put on this combo and they love the effect on their skin. In fact, they're on a whole chokehold because they keep coming back to repurchase it. So this right here is the real brightening key product in your routine, and that's because it's formulated with not just only alpha arbutin and niacinamide, but other moisturizing, hydrating, and brightening ingredients. They are properly infused to brighten, glow, nourish, and even out your skin tone. The texture is lightweight and it does what it's supposed to do for your skin. Now, if you really want to get the best results out of this body lotion, please always ensure you apply or massage this in when your body is still a bit wet or damp. Immediately you're out of your bathroom or taking your shower, just go ahead and apply your Prolab body lotion to your skin. Massage it properly and you will see your skin look evenly toned and glowing. Now, you guys already know that I'm a big fan of, if you really want to have an even toned, brighter, healthy looking complexion, don't just use one body lotion, because one body lotion is not going to tackle all your skin concern and do what it's supposed to do for you. Try and incorporate two body lotions into your skincare routine. I preach about using one body lotion in the day to moisturize, nourish, and lock in moisture, and then using like an active treatment lotion at night. So the next or third product you will need in your skincare routine is your nighttime body lotion. The one body lotion I would definitely recommend for you to use at night is this Lactin Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. Here, now, if you're an OG on my channel, you basically know about this particular body lotion and how much I love it. This is one exfoliating body lotion that is going to help renew your skin cells and give you an even toned, softer, smoother, healthy, vibrant, glowing skin tone. Now, here is what you stand to gain when using Lactin in your nighttime routine. You're not just going to be evening out your skin, smoothing out your skin, or getting that softer skin glow. No, what you're actually doing is you're chemically exfoliating your skin, getting rid of all those dead skin cells that your body scrub cannot be able to get off or cannot just sweep off on their own, because our skin practically renews itself, but most times it needs you to add that extra exfoliation. So if you don't have time to use maybe a physical body scrub to be exfoliating your skin, just get an exfoliating lotion like this Lactin body lotion, or any other exfoliating body lotion or treatment body lotion you can afford, and you will definitely see your skin look so much brighter. You cannot just be layering your brightening products on top of dead skin cells. You need to get rid of all those dead skin cells to be able to see results with those brightening products you are using, because once you get rid of those dead skin cells, your products will be able to penetrate in deeper, and that's exactly what this lactin lotion does in your skincare routine. So if you can't afford to get lactin, you can get other exfoliating lotions or even use a physical body scrub. It's not a must you must use this, but this one, using it in your nighttime routine is going to change the game for you. It will give you a proper healthy skin. In fact, you don't need to be scrubbing your skin hard or every single day to see results. Just use this and your skin is going to look so much youthful and bright. See, I've stopped using physical scrubs, and honestly, the difference is clear. Amlactin or any other exfoliating body lotion does a better job for me. It's going to give you that even toned skin that you're looking for, and it equally helps to chemically exfoliate your skin, so you don't need to go through the hassle of using a body scrub on your skin. Because one thing about physical body scrubs is that sometimes you tend to overdo it and cause yourself micro tears on the skin. But with this, you just have to use it only in your nighttime routine and not on a day-to-day basis. Just use it 2 or 3 times weekly in your nighttime routine, and you're definitely going to see the visible difference on your skin. It will help your brightening ingredients penetrate in better. So use your Prolab during the day and use your amlactin at night, and you're definitely going to see amazing results. Combining these two together is going to help brighten up your skin and give you that beautiful glowing complexion. If you don't get compliments with this combo, now moving on, the next or third product you will need in the skincare routine is your body oil. Now, when we talk about body oil, this CeraVet Whitening Glow Body Oil is one body oil I would definitely recommend you use if you're looking to beautifully brighten up your skin and tone up your complexion. It's going to blend your skin. This particular CeraVet body oil gives an actual visible glow effect on the skin. In fact, it also helps to brighten, even out your complexion, and glow your skin. The texture is amazing. It's not one of those body oils you will use and your skin will start being greasy or feeling greasy. No, this is one body oil that is going to brighten up your skin and give you a healthy glowing complexion. I'm not going to say much or brag about this body oil. If you've used it, you understand what I'm talking about. If you've not, like, the amount of compliments you're going to get when you're using this particular body oil in your routine is insane. You would definitely love this. So go give it a try and you will understand what I'm talking about. Just ensure you are applying this immediately after applying your body lotion, and your glow will definitely be on another level. If you've been finding it difficult to brighten up your skin, just pair this combo that I've shown you and you will see amazing results on your skin. It delivers excellent results. Now, finally, you do not want to skip a sunscreen, especially if you really want to brighten and maintain the brightening effect you've gotten from using all those other products. So a sunscreen is a must have in the skincare routine. And one sunscreen I have here with me and I'll recommend is the Suncut sunscreen. You can also get the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. So this is a non-negotiable, like I said, and I don't want to hear, Judith, I have a dark skin, can I still use a sunscreen or can I get away without using it? Girl, you can negotiate using a sunscreen, especially in summertime, because your skin is usually exposed to the sun, so you need to be sun protected to achieve the best brightening effect or results on your skin. So always ensure you apply your sunscreen 15 minutes before you leave the house in the morning. You're not to use your sunscreen in your nighttime routine. Now, let me summarize this into a quick morning and nighttime skincare routine for you guys. So in the day, you want to start off with your fair and white shower gel to cleanse your skin. Apply your Prolab body lotion, and finally seal in moisture with your CeraVet body oil. Immediately you're done applying them, just seal up everything in with your sunscreen unexposed areas of your body. These are the only 3 products you need in your morning routine. Now, for your nighttime skincare routine, all you basically have to do is to use your Fair and White shower gel at night as well. Then on nights, you're supposed to exfoliate your skin. Just apply your Lactin body lotion, and immediately after that, go in with your Taravet body oil to seal in the moisture. And that is simply it. Like, this is a simple skincare routine that you can easily follow to achieve a bright, beautiful, healthy, natural, glowing skin tone. So if you really want a radiant, glowing complexion without bleaching your skin or damaging your complexion, this is a combo I would recommend for you. They all work hand in hand to give you that nice, beautiful, glowing skin. It will tone up your skin with no dark knuckles, green veins, or discolorations. It will give you a healthy, bright looking skin tone. So go give this a try, and you will definitely come back and thank me later. And I need you guys to understand that brightening your skin actually takes time. It's not something you just apply overnight and you're already expecting miracle to happen. Skincare is not magic. Just give it time. 2 weeks to a month, 8 weeks max. Put yourself on this routine. The amount of compliments you'll be getting would be mind blowing. So this is a routine that absolutely works. For my USA, UK, Canada-based clients that usually say, Judith, I can't find this particular body lotion. So if you can't get the Prolab Alpha Arbutin Niacinamide body lotion, please go for the Fair and White body lotion. Or better still, pair your Fair and White shower gel together with your Olay Vitamin C body lotion, this particular dark spot one, and it's still going to give you the same results. These are amazing combos that when you use on your skin, you will start seeing visible results. So if you're still confused on what products to use, or maybe your skin care routine is not just working for you and you don't really know what to do, that is exactly what I help you with in our one-on-one consultation section. You can simply send us a DM at ninibeauty_ on Instagram, or email ninibeauty28@gmail.com. So if this video helped you in any way, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. It only takes a second, and it also helps other people that need this video see it. Subscribe if you're yet to. If you've used any of these products, share your experience with them, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.